Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and Iman. Ameen. Inshallah, today we'll learn ayah number 5 of Surah Rahman. الشمس والقمر بحسبان. الشمس. Hamza is connected to the letter Sheen. The lam which is in between Hamza and Sheen is lam al-shamsiya, which is always silenced. It is not pronounced. Ash-shamsu. Whenever the letter Mim Sakin is followed by letter Seen, we will not do any gunna, nasalization on letter Mim. We will not pronounce this word as Ash-shamsu. No gunna, no nasalization. We will just recite the letter Mim with Izhar ash-shafawi ruling, which means to pronounce it clearly without any nasalization, without any gunna. Ash-shamsu, ash-shamsu, wal-qamaru. Letter Waw is connected to the letter Lam. The alif which is in between Waw and Lam is actually Hamzatul Wasl, which is not recited while doing Wasl. Wasl means to recite from the previous word. Wal-qamaru. Letter Qaf is pronounced heavily. Letter Ra is also pronounced heavily here because it has Dhamma on it. Bihusban. Letter Ha is pronounced very sharply. Bihusban. Letter Ba has Fatha on it, which is followed by Alif. Here we'll apply Mad Tabi'i ruling, stretching Ba for 2 haraka. Just because we are adding Sakin to the letter Noon and we are doing Waqf on ayah number 5th, and the letter before the letter Noon is Alif Mad. The Madul Arid Sukoon is applied here. So now we can stretch the letter Ba for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count. Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru bihusban. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.